Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Swami Institute of Technology, and today uh, you must be aware of the syllabus of 6M Contributor Personality Development Program, and the subject code is 316002. Uh, and we are going to start first personality. First of all, okay, what do you mean by personality? So यूनिट 1 फाइंडिंग सॉल्यूशंस. यूनिट 1 है हमारा फाइंडिंग सॉल्यूशंस. जैसा मैंने आपको कहा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पर्सनालिटी. Here I would like to tell you it's a combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive character. यहाँ पर आपको मैं एक एग्जाम्पल हियर आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर वन एग्जाम्पल. सी हैड अ sunny personality that was very engaging. She has a warm character like that. So unit 1 it's a finding solutions. When you listen this word finding solutions first time, it is a way to solve a problem. It is a way to solve a problem or deal with a difficult situation. And we can also say that a solution to a problem or difficult situation is a way of dealing with it. कि आपका solutions अपने आप जो भी काम में आप engage हो, how can you find the solutions more better like that. And it is a way of dealing with it, and so that the difficult is removed. difficulty जो आपका आई है then easily removed it. So at workplace others see problems. दूसरों का है कि they observe your problems but your approach finds बेटर सॉल्यूशंस एज मच एज पॉसिबल. जितना हो सके आपको उसमें से ये डिफ़िकल्टी में से मुझे कैसे बाहर आना है, हाउ कैन आई बिकम अ गुड क्रिएटर, एंड हाउ कैन हाउ कैन आई फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड हाउ टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशंस लाइक दैट. सो हियर आई हैव गिव अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फाइंडिंग सॉल्यूशंस. यहाँ पर आपको पता है हमारा जो सिलेबस का टाइटल ही है व्हाट इज कॉल्ड पर्सनालिटी. So personality refers to individual differences in characteristic patterns of thinking, feeling and behaving. The study of personality focuses on two broad areas. Which are the two broad areas? Because हम personality बात कर रहे हैं. One is understanding individual differences in particular. इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस इन पर्टिकुलर, पहले ये बात है. एंड पर्सनैलिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सच एज सोशल एबिलिटी और इरिटेबिलिटी. सो हियर वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पर्सनालिटी. characteristics of contributors. Which are the characteristics of our contributors? Look at here all. Able to effectively plan and organize their work. अ कंट्रीब्यूटर पर्सन होगा वो हमेशा ही इज़ ऑलवेज एंगेज इन हिज वर्क इफेक्टिवली. वो प्लान करेगा कि मैं शेड्यूल बनाऊँ, प्लानिंग बनाऊँ एंड उस तरह से मैं अपना टारगेट या अचीवमेंट्स अप्रूव करूँ. सो यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज योर वर्क. इफेक्टिव इंडिविजुअल कंट्रीब्यूटर्स आर कॉम्पिटेंट. कॉम्पिटेंट का मीनिंग है यहाँ पर कैपेबल एट मैनेजिंग देयर टाइम and the time of others. You have to engage, you have to manage your time and you must have to and also be aware of the time of others. दूसरे का time भी waste ना हो, that you must have to be punctual also. In addition यहाँ पर मैं और कहना चाहती हूँ, they effectively handle multiple demands and competing deadlines also. They excel at identifying goals, developing plans, estimating time frames and monitoring their progress without much oversight by management. So they have to identify their goals, developing plans, estimating time frames and also monitor their progress without much oversight by management. सो यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ कि मैं अपने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में जहाँ पर जॉब कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ पर मेरी वैल्यू हो रही है, सो अपने पर्सनालिटी से मैं कैसे अपने अपने गोल्स को अचीव करूँ. Here है contribution. Individual contributors who are competent at making relationships work, they listen effectively and develop a rapport. Rapport का meaning है close relationship in which group understand each other's feelings. So हमें ऐसे अपनी characteristics बनानी है कि we can understand others' feelings also with others also. So you must have to engage and बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप रखने के लिए मार्केट में और जहाँ पर भी आप वर्क कर रहे हो, सो यू हैव टू मैनेज दैट. दे आर एबल टू आर्टिकुलेट देयर थॉट्स एंड ideas clearly that present information in a straightforward and logical way. So they are always understand others' thoughts and ideas and they ensure that they are understood. और अगर उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, डिफ़िकल्टी हो गई समझने में, तो दे आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर अदर प्रॉब्लम्स. They are also very good at sharing information with others in order to improve overall work progress. सो ओवरऑल वर्क प्रोग्रेस वो मंथली हो, देन अगर हम कहें 2 months का हो या 4 months या और इन अ ईयर की बात करें, सो उनकी कंपनी कहाँ पर गई है एंड हाउ दे कैन इम्प्रूव देयर ओन स्किल्स थ्रू वर्क प्रोग्रेस. सो ऑलवेज बी रेडी कि हम अपने वर्क पे कितना ध्यान दे सकें और हमारा प्रोग्रेस कितना हो रहा है. सो ईयरली, मंथली, ट्वाइस, यू मस्ट हैव टू थिंक ट्वाइस के ये डिसीजन मेरे लिए सही है हमारे बिजनेस के लिए जहाँ पर कि आप जॉब कर रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू थिंक मोर. गुड कम्युनिकेटर. हाउ कैन यू बिकम अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर? Good communicator, those that have effective interpersonal communications. Those that have effective interpersonal communications. How can interpersonal यानी interactions between two people and more peoples demonstrate the following behaviors. So how can we improve our own how can we improve our effective communications? Readily, always be ready to share useful information and knowledge with others. जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपकी यूजफुल लगे वो हमेशा शेयर करिए दूसरों के साथ. एंड नॉलेज ऑल्सो, एंड ऑल्सो नॉलेज विद अदर्स. उससे आपकी कोई डाउट भी होगा सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम से, दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो सॉल्व विथ योर कलीग्स ऑल्सो. कंसिस्टेंटली क्लोज द इंफॉर्मेशन लूप बाय मेकिंग श्योर they understood others and that others understood them. मीन्स कि आपका कैरेक्टर वहाँ पर बता रहा है कि यू श्योर हो कि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड यू ऑल्सो. सो a good communicator is one who can easily share their own problems and ready to accept others advice and follow them अगर उसको ठीक लगे तो. Are truthful, realistic and constructive in the communication messages. Are truthful, realistic and constructive in the communication message also. Here I am going to share some questions. So dear all, ये questions आपको you must have to think twice and thrice कि questions आपको क्या ये questions, how can you find a more better solutions from these questions. So look at the comprehension. Here I have give a brief comprehension and यहाँ पर उसके question नीचे मैंने लिखे हैं that you have to download. You have to find out the answer from this paragraph. Look at the comprehension. Cambridge Analytica is a data analytics company. It offers its services like providing information to make decisions, develop strategies, etc. to business and political parties. The company collects people's data. Data यानी about their interests, political ideologies, email ID, etc. from various sources including social media platforms. सोशल मीडिया की बात कर रही है यहाँ पर, सच एज फेसबुक. कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका and Facebook have recently been accused of obtaining people's data without their permission. Further, they used this data to influence important political decisions. Brexit campaign, elections in India, US, Africa, Italy, etc. They did so by sending targeted advertisements to citizens that would influence their decisions. So ये कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का आपको जीटीओ इस तरह से ही पूछे जाएगा. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को आपको ट्वाइस एंड थ्राइस रीड करना है कि व्हाट विच मैसेज ही द ऑथर सेंडिंग यू एंड विच मेन पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. और ये मैसेज आपको कौन सा मोर बेटर पार्ट आपको लग रहा है, लाइक दैट. लुक एट हियर डियर ऑल. नंबर 1, व्हेन कलेक्टिंग डेटा फॉर रिसर्च वर्क, it important to ensure that ABC people give you the data you need for the research study. Number B, people give you permission to collect their data. C, people are well aware of how their data will be used. So from ABC you are going to find your answer. Number 3, social media platforms should improve its privacy settings and protect the users data because यहाँ पर options 2 है. A, it is their duty to correct the errors in system and improve their services. B, it should ensure that its users feel safe and comfortable while using their services. Question number next. Owners or founders of social media platforms have to, number A. अब यहाँ पर owners और founders of social media की बात है. So you have to think twice कि यहाँ पर कौन सा question हमें पूछा गया है. So you can select it more better. Worry about all the possible stakeholders impacted by their business. ये नंबर A है. नंबर B, worry about providing the best possible service to their users and customers. So here you must have to find out. Next question. It is said that Cambridge Analytica manipulated election results by influencing people on social media. How would you as a citizen react to this? A, they have made a fool of people like me. Number B, it has made a mockery of the election system. C, such manipulators are anyway common in most elections. So वो पैराग्राफ आपको 2 से 3 बार रीड करना है, रीड, and after that you must have to find out the solutions A, B, C or A, B. But once you just select A या B, 2 से 3 बार इरेज करके don't do that. You have to find it. Then we are going to discuss. MCQ है यहाँ पर. द इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यहाँ पर ब्रीफ लिखा है ISRO यानी इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैड अ रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग ईयर 2017 with a successful space launches. This shows that the team is, number A, committed to keep excelling in their work. Number B, full of efficient and capable people. Number 2, choose the correct option. Number A, an elected politician has the authority necessary to bring about change in his constituency. And B, an elected politician can choose to bring about change in the constituency. Number 3, when organizing a blood donation drive, a contributor will try to reach out to as many people as possible so that A, many people participate and donate blood. She can feel satisfied about trying her best. Next question, students should choose elective subjects in which they are confident of doing well in. They can develop different types of capabilities. Next question, Divya needs to submit a product sales report to the client every week. How can she think? Number A, I need to fulfill the client's expectations each time by sincerely working on the report. And number B, I could look at a set of reports and try to find new insights irrespective of whether the client has asked for it or not. Question number next, C, 6. Choose the correct option. A sports coach may be taught in order to push his or her students to excel. You have to reread the question and answer 2 times. Number B, a sports coach may be tough as discipline has to be maintained. So here these are the MCQs. ये आपको रीड करना है ट्वाइस. उसके बाद ए और बी में से आपको सिलेक्शन देना है एंड दैट यू मस्ट हैव टू सबमिट टू मी. Thank you dear all. Thank you for your, and if you have any query, ask me in a group or contact me.